this is the part 2 because, and let's go unboxing right there. Oh my god, it's oh my god, unboxing time. Oh my god, unboxing pero ang tagal. So guys, we are now right there and put it in the trash can. So guys, it's too hard. Magiging part 3 to. Already 1 minute now. Oh my god, guys, it's really safety. The key is really safe, so no one can get it. Wow, sana all. Ako nagbalot nito, guys. Put it in the trash. Put it in the trash. A lot more trouble. My mom will, I will gonna be trouble. Where's the my god, it's 2 a.m. Sorry, it's already 7:31. Really safety now, guys. So I am very tall, kaya nakaganyan lang ako yung paa ko because look at my nakaano ako kaya very tall ako. So guys, unboxing. So guys, wala nang time. Bye bye.